Ann. How are you?
I'm good. Hi, Carla Hall. How are you?
Good. I love that you call me Carla Hall, like my whole name.
I just super quick want to let you know, everybody I know, my friends, my family, my own fans think you're awesome, and everybody wants me to say hi, so that's a whole bunch of people.
Hi, everybody. Big hooty hoo.
And I had a friend who wanted that too, so thank you. My first question is it really okay to serve a casserole for a holiday get-together?
Oh my gosh, are you kidding? Well, you know me from Top Chef. I am the queen of the famous casserole, the chicken pot pie. And I think Thanksgiving is all about sides and all of the casseroles that we actually know. So, for instance, here I've got this green bean casserole. And then I've got a Brussels sprouts casserole with little crunchy toppings, and then an upside down turkey sandwich casserole. Now all of these are made with Country Crock, but this one may be after Thanksgiving with all of the leftovers, but all of these are totally okay for Thanksgiving. I mean, I think, don't you think so?
I do. I mean, I was thinking, you know, we do the sides, we do the desserts, but when it comes to like really feeding everybody, sometimes I think we all balk at the serving everything in a pot, you know what I mean?
Well, I
big
think
because casserole used to be a four-letter word with my ex. So.
Oh, really? It's like, oh no, no.
Yes.
I absolutely think so. Well, for me, especially because I love all of my protein and my starch and my vegetables all together.
And then I'd mix them anyway. So.
I would mix them anyway. And then one of the things that's really important for me for a casserole is to have that crunchy top.
Oh, yeah.
You know, you have that little crunchy top, you mix a little bit of the spread in there, and you put it over, and it gets golden brown, and there's flavor in the brown. I love that, absolutely.
Well, okay, my other question is that I have 7 kids, and yes, I said S-E-V-E-N, and so my time is really tight.
Yeah, it
and
is.
I need real quick but elegant appetizers. You can just throw together or even make ahead. What's good?
I think any kind of really nice cracker, and you take a little bit of butter on that, and you put cheese, or you can pipe potatoes on top with a little bit of cheese into the oven. That's really nice with a little garnish of bacon and a scallion or something. Nuts, if you're doing some kind of spiced nuts, those are really fast into the oven. Another thing that's really fast are soups. So you can do like a soup and then put it in a little espresso cup and then with a little garnish, and it makes it really elegant. Also,
like
it's something that
shots,
you can heat up.
Right?
Yes.
That's awesome. I was just thinking about soups this morning and thinking you don't want to serve that, but I guess if you do it little enough, that's a
right, something where people can just have it in their hands, and also while everything is coming together. I think one of the things that people get very nervous about for the holidays is having all of the dishes come out at the same time. So with something like your appetizers, you can serve that little bit of soup. It's going to hold them until dinner time and take the pressure off of you.
Right. That sounds awesome. And I really, really appreciate your time. And I know it's short today, but I want to tell you thank you, and I can't wait to pass this on to everybody I know.
Well, thank you, Ann. I want to invite you and your listeners to go to countrycrock.com for more tips and recipes.
All righty. Thank you very much, and you have a wonderful day.
You too. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.